Hello. Welcome back to the last reading, the last country. So, if you haven't seen some, they should be available in the playlist. I hope you can figure that out. By the way, I put annotations or whatever the things in the video when it pops up and it suggests you something when there's a repeat card. But I only do it for the past. I don't go back and like add what happened in the future. So yeah, there's that. But if there's a repeat card, there's likely that a country has been linked up there somewhere. I'm trying to make this card be focused, but it does not. It's had one full reading with like no issues, so wait. Put myself on the screen. I'm not ready. Oh my god. I don't know how this is turned. It's the same. And so we begin with Maeve, or I do not know how this is pronounced. Celtic stuff is. Oh, sorry for the mouse. Sorry. It's scary to pronounce. I do not know. It's hard. So, I will read about it. I wish the first card that I started with, I remember. So, I'm gonna just read it. That's it. Everything is circling. The moon, the stars, universe itself. Life is taking a breath. Breath in, and then breath out. Why are you surprised? Or excited? Because your life is going in loops, in circles, in cycles and rhythms. You know, humans don't like change. Sometimes you're strong, awake, and alive, but at other points you're alone and scared. I'm translating, that's why I'm so slow. Your body also goes through cycles and changes. Celebrate these cycles because they're the point of your life. Where they're the point of your life. I don't know how to translate that. Power, but it's circling within you. So I think she is very strong in her Kundalini power. Yeah, she gave cramps to the soldiers that attacked her land. Isn't that crazy? And when she was on her period, she stopped the battles. She had the battles stop. I don't know how that happened, but interesting. And the part that I used to mark this crazy beautiful. I think it's right. So I'm blurry. Blurry. Great. Thick. Now I got this card. Wave. Stop being blurry, sir. Whatever. So I looked it up. I never received this card before. So it says that this card doesn't actually have a meaning by itself because this is a cycle. In Mayan calendar, they use 13-day cycles, and this will represent a cycle, but you need additional cards to tell you what kind of cycle. So I tried to get a card from the same deck, but like nothing came out, so I guess the remaining cards will explain what kind of cycle this is. So which 13-day cycle be? So don't be alarmed, but this is indeed what I got. When I did like Slovenia reading, I also got the devil. Not from this deck though, so this will be different. And another tarot card. Maybe we can put them more. And we do a read, right? Devil is upright. Boitata. I don't know, there's an accent on the second A. Brazil. The devil gives into ego, lusting for unnecessary or harmful things, unwilling to leave negative situations. It is a dragon sitting upon a pile of gold it does not need. A person setting a forest on fire for their own gain. What? That is so scary. Release, enlightenment, power reclaimed, divorce, and moving on. Okay. Oh my god. I am rereading this. This is crazy. Lusting for unnecessary or harmful things and willing to leave negative situations. This is a dragon sitting upon a pile of gold it does not need. A person is setting a forest on fire for their own gain? What is this? I am shook. Okay, hold on. I took the card out, but it didn't actually open there. Two of coins. Oops. Urpisund. Pacific Northwest Haida mythology. The two of coins represents the skill needed to balance opposing forces in life. For Urpisund, did I even read that correctly at any point? The bear world and the human world collide, embodies dualities of work and family. Where am I now? Hobbies and careers and wants versus needs. Okay, balance basically. Reversed, disorganization, a facade, overwhelm, overextending, and financial mess. Oh my god, it's so much tea. Like, this is really, like, not a positive energy. Like, I'm even low-key scared to do more reading. Someone might come for me. Oh my god. So what's this one? Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, next is an ant. I need to read myself this. So an ant represents, ants are small, insignificant maybe. Who's insignificant here? But also, one ant is useless. Unless it's a queen ant. Maybe you would describe them as a hive mind, they all kind of work like they have together one brain somehow. Like, it's crazy how they work, right? I actually watch the ant channel, and it's like it's very fascinating. You learn a lot watching documentaries and stuff. So yeah, one ant is not very useful, but also it is, because one ant goes from the nest and it finds food, and then it tells everyone food, and then they all can gather the food. But an ant, if I were to just take the ant from somewhere and put it somewhere else, no. And then I asked, who is Eden most geniuses we have in the deck, and we have received Amy Winehouse. We're already at 11 minutes and I haven't even like done anything, I feel like. Oh my god, okay. Let me try to decipher this. So I'm also kind of getting that like I'm blocked, like I'm not supposed to see this much. Why is this in the end? I asked for the entry energies. That's what I asked. I did not ask for no like certainty, certain specific T. Goodness. There's a cycle and a wave, something that keeps happening. I wouldn't even say that it's beginning. Maybe, something maybe ended, but it keeps happening over and over, and they cannot get out of it. Got a headache. Head pain. What the heck? Somebody's messing with me. I feel like I am a bit afraid here with this situation. Yeah, there's a lot of darkness. I've never seen such a dark read, and as you can see, like I received a lot of like new cards. I've never received essentially the wave and the devil card, and like there's no consistency. Like with the others, I keep getting cards over and over, right? Because they're connected. But this one's like completely elsewhere. It's almost like it's not an entry, it's just a song that I'm trying to kind of, it's like I did a reading on like Texas Hold'em, like it's like it's a Eurovision entry, but it's not. It's completely like detached. And 2 coins is like balancing things out, right? But there is no balance. Wait, what is that? Hold on. A bear? Half bear and half child? Yeah, there is. I mean, this is kind of balanced, but I don't know. I feel like there is no balance. There is no. The cycle. What's the cycle for? I'm not happy that these 2 cards are next to the wave. I'm really not. This is not good. There's a lot of stuff in the background. I feel like there might have also some threats, just something like really not good for this entry to be in the contest. And like currently I feel like they're stuck in this cycle and this rhythm of like I don't even know what. Like darkness, of like corruption. Of like being an ant, maybe. You have no say in things. There are other people that have a say. You just need to do whatever they say and try to make the best of it. Because after all, like this card is like, I feel like it's not even like connected to this, because this card represents Eden, right? And I feel like this is just something that's happening around her. or like it's more like representation of the country and not the singer. I don't know what's happening. Like I did not pick these cards. You know, I didn't like shuffle through the deck to look for them. Um, I don't see anything positive about this. I'm so sorry. It almost feels like it's not even attached to the contest. It's really weird. Almost like the EB also doesn't want them, but they kind of have to because there's not many participants. And not enough countries revolted, I guess. Because obviously, if 5 countries wanted to withdraw, then that would suck for them. But like, yeah, they kind of didn't do it. But, damn, that is. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say anymore. Like, I could even say the cycle is like gonna be a cycle of 13 days and then it's gonna be over. No, I don't think so. I think there's gonna be another wave and another wave, the wave of like whatever this is. Like, not everything is straightforward. You know, if you get the devil card, doesn't mean it's bad, but like in this case, I'm definitely getting like this is a no good. The end is kind of giving me like worthless little. The 2 coins, the 2 sides, but whoever is dealing with them, that's not us. That's someone else, someone's strings. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will stop. I need to remove myself from this situation. I need to, I don't know, should I do another reading and ask a different question? I'm a bit taken aback by it, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what, I wasn't expecting anything. Like, I thought maybe it's gonna just focus on the energy of the song. I don't know. You know what I recently realized? That the way I was thinking energies, it's actually frequencies. Songs have frequencies. That's why we like some songs and some not, because it's based on the frequencies. Each human also have their own frequency, or has their own frequency, and therefore you vibe with some people and some songs, but not the others. Like, there has been one song that I've been listening over and over, and I cannot vibe with it at all. Oh my goodness. It's just how it is, you know, they're not on the same frequency. You can't change it. I also went back to some previous Eurovision years and I'm like, I still don't like this song. It's just not on my frequency. I don't know what to do. Um Nothing, I guess. So yeah, that's unfortunate. But it's also not set in stone. Like, doesn't mean that if you like one song, that also the same person that doesn't like that song, it's, you know, it's not like one to one. It's not gonna translate like that. You know, if you would give a number to my frequency, it doesn't mean that the thing has to be the same frequency, because we all have a unique, and that's the only thing that actually would transfer over to each of our lives, the frequency. Or to lives, I should say reincarnations, so it's not confusing. But holy crap. Okay, this was it. This is the last reading for the Eurovision entries 2024. We'll do energies, and then I'll also check some of the energies of the previous years. I will do Finland. And so if you're watching this in the future, yeah, then you can maybe reach out. Or reach, you can find these videos already. My brain does not work anymore. I've been recording for like an hour, all of these in a row. And this video is 20 minutes long. Will anyone even watch it? But this is shocking, okay? To say the least. I don't know. It's almost like telling me, like, don't mess with this energy anymore. Like, don't come back to this. You've done it once, so people can say you've done it, but don't come back to this. And I will try not to. Oh my god. If they did some dark magic, I could be in trouble. Because you can protect yourself with dark magic. And also light magic. Okay. That was so laggy. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Thanks so much for watching. If you came all this way, into all this part of like a really long video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to see what I have in store next. Bye bye.